Good morning, Jones County. My name's Arlen, and I'm here on my property right off of 57. Some of you might know me as Casper Rockingham or Salty Chef. I produce a lot of music here on the property, but I've also been in technology for over 30 years. Built over 5,000 cell phone sites, data centers, networks, and my full-time job is managing large complex networks. I've recently gotten involved in discussions about data centers and AI. A lot of misinformation and facts based on old tech. So I'm here to put out some information. I'll be making some videos live. You'll see some AI videos, maybe even a live podcast. So hang tight, guys. We're gonna get through all this mess, and it's a beautiful weekend. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll be talking to you soon. Cheers.
In our little house among the trees, you play guitar, strum with ease.
Hi everyone, my name is Arlen Blecklick. I've lived in Jones County for more than 15 years, and I make my home just a half mile from Route 57 and about 1 mile from Grizzleville Industrial Park. As someone who's spent over 30 years in technology, building, managing, and maintaining data centers, large enterprise networks, and thousands of cellular facilities, I feel a personal responsibility to share a clear, straightforward perspective on the potential data center discussion happening in our community. I'm right here with you. Any new development at Grizzleville affects me directly, especially when it comes to noise. The traffic on Route 57 is loud, constant, day and night, and it's far louder than anything a modern data center would produce. I've measured it myself, and I'm happy to share those numbers if anyone would like to see them. The point is, we already live with much more noise than what these ordinances would allow. I'm not here to push for development at any cost. I've seen projects go wrong, and I know how important it is to get this right. That's why I'm encouraged by the updated ordinances the county is working on. They include strong, enforceable protections, mandatory closed-loop liquid cooling that uses almost no ongoing water, strict noise limits, full environmental impact studies paid for by the developer, required setbacks and buffers, decommissioning bonds to ensure the site is cleaned up if needed, and a clear ban on cryptocurrency mining. These aren't vague promises. They're practical rules that put Jones County among the most protective counties in Georgia when it comes to data centers. Today's data centers are very different from the old facilities that made headlines years ago. They're quiet, efficient buildings with sealed cooling systems. No massive evaporative towers, no chemical runoff, very little traffic, and no daily pollution. Power upgrades, the developer pays for every dollar. The jobs, skilled, well-paying positions in IT, maintenance, and security. Many of them staying right here in our community. And the tax revenue? Millions each year to help fund our schools, repair roads, and support public services, without raising anyone's property taxes. We already have the tools to make this work. If any proposal doesn't fully meet the standards in the ordinance, the county can and should turn it down. But turning away responsible growth based on outdated fears or problems from other places would mean missing a real opportunity for our families and our future. The moratorium ends on January 18th. There are public meetings coming up on January 12th and 16th at 6 p.m. at the Jones County Government Center. I encourage everyone to attend, ask questions, and share your thoughts. I'm open to honest discussion, and I believe we can make decisions based on facts, not fear. This is our county, and we deserve to make it stronger for the next generation. Thank you for listening.
In our little house among the trees, you play guitar, strum with ease. We harmonize neath evening skies, different colors in our eyes. Your dreams are painted bright and bold,